Hi everyone, I'm Chinar Kapoor, and today we're going to be talking about a concept we witness every day in our life called body shaming. How many of us are victims to the ad of Fair and Lovely or lose weight in certain X amount of days? Even if we are not victims of such ads, we're often a victim of somebody else's comments on us about the way we look or the way we are or the way we be. Body shaming can manifest in three different ways. The first one being criticizing our own self. How often have we said that, oh my god, my thighs are so fat, or my arms are so ugly, or my nose is so fat, or my skin is so dark. Nobody will like me the way I look. Look at her, she's so pretty. I don't have what she has. She has perfect teeth. I don't have perfect teeth. Second, being criticizing someone else's appearance in front of them, such as, with those thighs, you're never gonna get a date, or with that nose, you're never gonna get somebody to love. Or criticizing somebody else's appearance not in front of them, but with your friend. That, did you see what she was wearing the other day? Or did you see how fat she was looking and what she was wearing? At least I don't look anything like her. No matter how body shaming manifests in our life, it often leads to feelings of guilt and shame, resulting in to have a low self-esteem. When we're annoyed or irritated or intimidated by someone, it can often lead us to body shame them or ourselves. In order to overcome this, there are certain things that we can do. Understand that a physical aspect is just one aspect of our life. There's so much more to us, such as physical, emotional, spiritual, mental. So, physical aspect is just an aspect, one of the aspects of who you are. Yes, you need to take care of yourself physically, such as your health, eat nutritious food, follow a good skin regimen, take care of our hygiene. But apart from that, physical appearance is but feature. Instead of criticizing your own appearance or someone else's, focus on who you really are. Figure out what kind of a person am I? What are my likes? What are my dislikes? What are my strengths? What are my skills? What are my values? What is it that makes me unique from other people? Once you start to discover yourself, it will help you increase your self esteem and your self confidence. Apart from this, another concept you can use is something known as positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are sentences that you can use in order to boost your self esteem. So, you have these post its like those yellow colors we've always seen. So, get those and try to put these post its all over your house and your workspace, such as your laptop, your table, where your mirror, where you brush, where you have your clothes, like your almirah, any places that you often visit. It could be your fridge as well. So place these positive affirmations where you say things like, I say no to shame and self sabotage. I understand I am a human being and I'm a work in progress and I am not expected to be perfect. You can also use positive affirmations like, I surround my body with love and light of compassion that protects me wherever I go. You can also use that I am beautiful soul and I absolutely love myself and my entire body and the way I am and who I am. And people, when they figure out who I really am as a person, they will love me for me and not my body. If you or anybody you know has any questions related to body shaming, feel free to contact me. Thank you.